Good morning, Dan. Let's give a little power wash. We're out here in DeBary this morning, over on one of these nice HOAs. Got ourselves a friendly pup next door. Someone's getting some pavers in the house next door. We're doing a house soft wash, driveway cleaning, and rust treatment. First we're going to pre-wet. Cool down all these surfaces. Get it in here real nice. Definitely very tight areas. Tight property lines. Once again, using our soft wash system, make real quick work of this. Okay, here we go. We had to do a second treatment all of this. The first coat just didn't come out strong enough. The valve didn't open all the way. There was a little bit of a priming issue. So it happens. Had to go back, play with that. But now we're going to go ahead and rinse. See, we have these bugs a little bit here. Boom, all that'll come down. Getting a lot of wind on this side of the house. How quick our rinsing goes, just because of the volume this thing puts out. I don't know where all this wind came from today. Definitely not helping us. Alright, we're going to wrap up on this project now. We'll do the driveway. Now we're just going to rinse out everything. And the dirt that we picked up on this walkway, get that down. We're going to put a soft tip in here. We're going to re-rinse this front area because we were scrubbing on these mud daubers, some more mud fell. So make sure we get all that little bits of dirt down. This is just water. So we got everything down, looking nice. I have a feeling when these pavers dry, they're still going to have that white haze. We got a combination of failed sealer and possibly effervescence as well. So if we get the opportunity, this will be a full paver restoration, strip, efflow, and then re-sand and seal. Right, we're doing some rust treatment now. Pump sprayer's seen better days, but it's still working. We've got a mix of oxalic acid in here. This is our primary rust treatment solution. We mix this in-house. This pump sprayer's seen better days. They don't last. If anyone's got a suggestion for a better option that holds up but lets us store multiple different pre-made batches, I'm all for it. Alright, there we go. That's a wrap on this project. Pack up our cones, drain our excess water, and then we gotta go and get a tire fixed. Managed to pick up a screw last night. Tried to put a plug in it. The plug didn't hold. So this tire ain't doing a lot of tire things. But there we go. There's the project. Like I said, we finished the whole house soft wash on this. We did the back patio. He had rust stains on the sidewalk. You can see we cleaned those up. That's the neighbors. It's leaching out of the soil. It's probably the fertilizer. Causes a lot of it. So we got all this cleaned up. These pavers need restoration. They're beyond just cleaning. Won't bring these back to life. But we're going to talk to them about that and maybe get down the calendar for later this year. Whew. There we go. Off to the next one.